2026 की शुरुआत के साथ शिक्षा ऋण की टीम आ पहुंची है दिल्ली के कुतुब इंस्टीट्यूशनल एरिया में। और ये जो एरिया है ना, ये हब है दिल्ली के टॉप मोस्ट बी स्कूल के लिए। अगर आप 2026 में अपने लिए देख रहे हैं टॉप मोस्ट बी स्कूल, जिसे आप प्लान कर रहे हैं अपनी एमबीए या फिर पीजीडीएम की जर्नी के लिए, तो आज का कैंपस होने वाला है आपके लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट। और इस कैंपस पे लेने वाले हम सारे वो सवाल जो आपके सफर में आपको आगे बढ़ने में देंगे पूरी मदद, और हमारी मदद करेंगे।
Hi, I'm Rahul Paryani, Head of Admissions and Marketing at IMI Delhi.
तो सर तैयार है और हम भी तैयार हैं अपने सवालों के साथ, तो देरी किस बात की, चलिए हमारे साथ। राहुल, बिल्कुल सीधी बात, नो बकवास रहने वाली है इस कन्वर्सेशन में। एडमिशन प्रोसेस 2026 के लिए क्या रहने वाला है?
Admission process is completely online. Go on the IMI Delhi website, start your application. It's a common application form. Choose what campus you want to study at: Delhi, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar. Submit your application, pay the application fee, very important. And then you get an invite for AI interview. You do that interview. Next is personal interview. That's where you get in front of a panel of faculty and industry practitioners. And that's how you decide whether you be at IMI Delhi or not.
तो राहुल, अगर हम बात करें एडमिशन प्रोसेस की, तो आपने प्रोसेस तो बता दिया, कौन कौन से इस साल एंट्रेंसेस आप एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं?
So we accept CAT, ZAT, and GMAT.
और क्या परसेंटाइल रहेगा?
So nobody knows, but over the years, in my understanding, वो around 85 to 90 percentile रहेगा CAT के लिए. For ZAT and GMAT, we can discuss. It's a lot about where do you stand in the entire spectrum of students who write ZAT and GMAT that year.
राहुल, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आईएमआई दिल्ली के लिए प्रोफाइल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है। हाउ यू एक्सप्लेन द प्रोफाइल टू द स्टूडेंट?
So when I look at a student as an admissions head, I want the student to be confident, crisp, very, in a way, very straightforward, being able to put their opinions in front of a class in a case study classroom. If that's something that you embody, then you are the right student for IMI Delhi.
राहुल, इस साल स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम बहुत सारी होने वाली हैं, क्या रहने वाली है स्कॉलरशिप?
So I think this is very interesting. I'm very happy to tell you that we have 50% and 100% scholarships that we offer to our students. We have need-based scholarships, professional impact scholarship if you come with a lot of work experience. We have academic excellence scholarship if you come from a premium institute in the country. And these are all 50% and 100% scholarships. So you can literally study for free at IMI Delhi if you deserve it.
स्कॉलरशिप की बात हो गई है, एफिलिएशन और एक्रेडिटेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं किसी भी कैंपस के लिए। ये आपका बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस है, क्या एक्रेडिटेशन एफिलिएशन मिलने वाले हैं इस साल?
Well, PGDM and MBA is always a question that students have. Now, our PGDM is equal to an MBA because we have AIU accreditation. We're also AMBA, SAQS, ASESB, and NBA accredited, which means that we are well renowned.
And very few colleges in India are having these kind of accreditations, right?
100%. You'll recognize us around the world, in Europe, in South Asia, in country, obviously. Pretty much everywhere you will think of going in the next 5 to 10 years.
स्कॉलरशिप तो राहुल आपने बता दी है। स्टूडेंट लाइफ प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल जब भी हम बात करते हैं एमबीए या फिर पीजीडीएम प्रोग्राम्स की। यहाँ पे आईएमआई दिल्ली में कैसी लाइफ रहने वाली है?
So student life is going to be very vibrant if you come to IMI Delhi. Out of 365 days, I think 360 days something is happening. Either there is a huge cultural fest or a TEDx event happening at the campus, or alumni convention happening, or a nice music festival, a comedian is coming to the campus. Apart from all the fun activities, we have quite a lot of sports that our students love to play. So we do pretty much create a sports event at a Delhi Olympics level. So you have quite a lot of those to participate in. Other than that, I think peer learning is extremely important. So you'll have a lot of business thought leadership programs where you'll have corporates coming from around the country giving you talks. And I think यहाँ पे बहुत importance आ जाती है location की, because that's where a lot of corporate people, a lot of industry practitioners find it very easy to come to South Delhi as compared to going to NCR where you have to plan 2 to 3 hours in advance.
तो डाइवर्सिटी की अगर हम बात करें, कैंपस में किस तरीके की डाइवर्सिटी बच्चों को देखने के लिए मिलने वाली है?
Well, just to give you facts, 80% of our students come from outside Delhi NCR, so you'll meet people from around the country, northeast, south, west, all of them.
Big number, 80%. Okay.
And 45% of our student population is female. So if you are a female, you'll really find yourself in your zone. We have female campuses, female hostels also, only for female students. Other than that, I think we are quite high on engineers as well. So you'll have about 45 to 50% engineers in your classroom. So we are a good mix of engineers, commerce students, natural sciences, psychology, history, all kinds of students at the classrooms.
Delhi nowadays famous for AQI also. You have a lush green campus. We are standing just next to this forest. So what do you want to say on that?
I think दिल्ली की हवा दिल्ली में हर जगह काफ़ी अलग होती है. तो जहाँ हम खड़े हैं, it's the neighborhood of lush green Sanjayvan forest. It's one of the only big area of forest that Delhi still has, and it's very well conserved. So 2-3 साल में तो कहीं भी नहीं जाने वाला. And our buildings are also very sustainable. So you'll see the height of the buildings are also very constrained because of the airport nearby. We have a water treatment plant, so the TDS of water is very well maintained. It's below 60. We have a water conservation plant. We retreat our water, recycle our water. So all in all, I'll say the campus gives you a vibe of a very sustainable, futuristic campus in a very old legacy building.
2026, there are like various videos over the YouTube that MBA is not relevant. और आप AI के बाद MBA का क्या रहेगा, सीन क्या होगा? IMI Delhi किस तरीके से prepared है?
I think IMI Delhi has always been prepared because this is not a new question. It has been there for over the years. हर 5 साल में eyeballs देने के लिए these kind of articles come up. But I think all the business schools around the world are surviving, and they're doing it by incorporating new things, new curriculum, new concepts, live projects, internships which are more engaging now. So we want to make our students corporate ready even today as we used to make them long ago.
राहुल, जब भी हम बात करते हैं मैनेजमेंट कॉलेजेस की, alumni plays a very important role. Can you tell us about the alumni network here at IMI Delhi campus?
Definitely. So IMI Delhi is a very old institution established in 1981.
1981?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have alumni who graduated in 1988, 1997, the year I was born as well, right? And these people are CEOs of companies like Airbus, couple of big conglomerates around the world, and the corporate proximity that IMI has because of its corporate sponsorship by RPSG Group plays a huge role in setting up alumni around the world. So if you look at the map of the world, you'll be able to pin alumni pretty much in all the major cities around the world. We have London Alumni Chapter, San Francisco, Dubai, Singapore, Malaysia. So if you are somebody who wants to have a global career, I think at IMI you'll be able to interact with all these alumni from around the world who will give you a greater perspective of how can you make a career not only in Delhi or India, but around the globe.
राहुल, जो भी हमें देख रहा है और IMI Delhi टारगेट करना चाह रहा है, quick 3 tips for them.
Well, first is focus on your scores. If your CAT is not great, ZAT is not great, you still have a chance to write GMAT. GMAT आप साल के किसी भी दिन लिख सकते हैं, so you have quite a lot of flexibility there. Second is build your profile because we're not only looking at your scores, but we're also looking at the profile that you are, the person that you are, the personality that you bring into the classroom, the confidence, the crispness, the kind of person you want to become, your future, your ambition, your aspiration, everything counts. And third is PI. You know, you'll be in front of a faculty which can be a quite grilling, and then you'll be in front of an industry practitioner who might test your knowledge of the field that you're saying that you want to get in. So I think इन 3 चीज़ों का अगर आप mix बना लो and you try to do well in all 3 aspects of admission process, nobody can stop you from getting into IMI Delhi.
राहुल, IMI Delhi मेन कैंपस है और बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ पे अप्लाई करते हैं और मुझे पूरा यकीन है हमारी वीडियो के बाद आपके पास बाढ़ आने वाली है फॉर्म्स की, जो कि होंगे भी. राहुल, बहुत सारे बच्चे मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, इसके चलते कैंडिडेचर रिजेक्ट भी होता है. कौन सी कॉमन मिस्टेक्स आपने देखी हैं जो बच्चे करते हैं?
I think a lot of students don't know why they want to pursue an MBA,
Okay.
what specialization they want to pursue, and what's the reason behind why they want to pursue it. So अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो आप पकड़े जाओगे इंटरव्यू में, that's one.
तो
Second
वाई
is-
पता होना जरूरी है.
Exactly. Your whys are the most important part of the entire interview process. Second is, I'll say, don't lie on your resume. Confidence is great, but overconfidence is something that will definitely get you rejected. And the last one is AI interview. So don't be scared of the AI interview. Be confident, be crisp, show us who you are. Instead of a person, the computer is recording you. That's pretty much all the difference that you're going to see. So good luck for that.
शिक्षा नट की टीम थी आज IMI दिल्ली कैंपस में और हमने लिए वो सारे सवाल जो आपको इस जर्नी में आगे बढ़ने में करेंगे पूरी मदद. आशा करते हैं आज की वीडियो के साथ आपको काफ़ी क्लैरिटी मिल पाई है और आपका टॉप मोस्ट 20 स्कूल तक पहुंचने तक का सपना थोड़ा और करीब आ पहुंचा है. आज की वीडियो थी यहीं तक. अगर आपके हमने कोई भी सवाल है, कोई भी क्वेश्चन है जो अभी भी अनआंसर्ड है, तो आप हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं. साथ ही साथ आप कॉलेज भी विजिट कर सकते हैं, सर से मिल सकते हैं. आशा करते हैं 2026 आप सभी के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेहतर है. जहाँ भी जाएं आप, वहाँ पे बेहतरीन प्लेसमेंट के साथ अपने सफर में आगे बढ़ पाएं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग अस. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
Good luck.